Hey guys, this is Claire from Living by Bike. I am currently heading to the train station to go to Washington, D.C. and do a 100-mile bike ride. So, very excited about that. I'm gonna bring you all with me on this 100-mile bike ride journey. Hey guys, I'm at Union Station. I am about ready to start biking my 106 miles back to Baltimore from Washington, D.C. to Annapolis and then to Baltimore. So let's get started. So I'm about 15-ish miles into my ride and my GPS thinks that, my GPS thinks that I just finished. So I'm gonna keep going until I know that this part ends and then recalibrate it so I can get back onto the track. The trees are just starting to change colors and they look so beautiful. It's officially fall, everyone. Hey guys, so I am at the Patuxent Research Refuge here near Bowie, and earlier my GPS tried to make me go onto a highway, so I just ignored that and made up my own little route, which was way more logical. I don't know why the GPS wanted me to go on the highway, but I'm gonna take a little break here, just like look at the nature that I'm surrounded by and maybe do a little bit of stretching before going back on the ride. I think I'm at mile like 27, 28 right now, so I'm making pretty good time. I'm less than 2 hours, I think, into my bike ride, so going well. Okay guys, I just finished lunch from Panera and I have 60 more miles left to go for today's ride, so I am going to get back onto that. I have to head to Annapolis. I'm in Bowie right now, and that's about it. I'm definitely going to be getting home after the sun sets, but at least I'll be in a familiar area, so I'm not worried about biking in the dark, and my lights are fully charged. So yeah, I definitely feel revived from the coffee and from the overloading of carbs, so I'm looking forward to the rest of this ride, and I'm excited to hit the 100-mile mark. Alrighty. I am 55 miles through this ride, so I've officially passed the halfway point. And I'm heading near Annapolis, so I should be to Annapolis in less than an hour, I think. Yeah, it's going well. That caffeine really saved my life.
Yummy.
Yeah. Not right now, but I've earned it. Just wanted to say that I have about 25 miles left to go, and I'm feeling really pumped. I'm feeling energized and ready. So it's going really well. It's ending well. Look at all the flowers they have here. It's very, very pretty. Thank you, BWI.